So I was sent this pretty cool dolly or cart to test for you. Now I really could have used this when I was closing down the office and moving desk and furniture and file cabinets, and this would have came in super handy. So basically it could be used as a dolly, right? It comes with two pretty strong straps, ratcheting straps, so that you could secure your items or one big item from coming off the dolly. So that's pretty cool that that's included. Let's take a look at how compact this is. So it comes with a carrying handle. It's got 6 wheels, 360-degree motion, and let's transform it. Pull this out here. Pull out the handle. It's extended like a luggage. Bring that up, nice decent height, and now you have a rollable cart. These two back wheels have brakes. This way you could lock it in place and then unlock it. So the motion, you can really maneuver this thing all over the place. It's got a nice wide base. You get under things. And the adjustability of the strap is pretty good. So if I want to lock it in there, I lock it in there. If I need it longer, I have it longer. So the weight of this, I'm 200 pounds. And taking a big risk here, and that is not good. So, but it handles that with no problem. You know, let's go on the scale of things here. So awkward things like propane tanks are heavy. And this makes getting around the patio, the yard, from the garage to the patio, from the shed to the yard, wherever you need to go. If you're going to the store, you could bring this with you and have it to take from the car to the store, get it refilled, whatnot. You could strap it down to secure, or if you're just very careful, you can maneuver it like this. So this is pretty cool, and this is pretty heavy. Why labor around with this? You could put it there, stable. I would assume if you don't need the length, you make it compact. There you go. So let the tool do the work, instead of your legs and your back doing the work. And this is how you stay healthy and strong without any pain or struggle. So 1 or 2 of these for the house, keep it in the car. It's a smart move, ideal. And when you're done with it, you bring down the arms, slap it in place. Slap that all the way in place, and now it's compact and you're ready to go.